So in this video we're going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, the fan edition. Starting with the price, this mobile we'll talk about everything about this mobile, like display, processor, cameras, battery, multimedia, everything. So starting with the price tag, this mobile comes with the price tag of first of all, it comes in different variants. 8GB RAM, 128GB internal storage variant was priced at, according to the news until now, this was priced at 59,999, almost 60,000 rupees. So yeah, that's the base price range, base amount for the base variant. When we talk about the display, this comes with a cute smaller 6.1 inches dynamic AMOLED display. It is a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 plus supported, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protected display. When we talk about the processor, according to the news until now, this mobile might come with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which is the best processor till now. There are different variants of this mobile because this is a fan edition. We need a lot of variants at different price tags. First of all, it comes with as I said earlier, 8GB RAM, 128GB internal storage variant, and 8GB RAM, 256GB internal storage variant, 12GB RAM, 256 and 12GB RAM, 512GB internal storage variant. These are UFS 3.1 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5 RAM types. Yes. And when we talk about the cameras, this is an important section where we have to take a deep look that this mobile comes with a triple cameras at the back side, a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera and a 48 megapixels of telescopic zoom camera and a 16 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera. For the front, it comes with a 32 megapixels of front facing selfie camera according to the news until now. So then we talk about the battery. This mobile comes with a 4500 mAh of battery. As usual, it supports 45 watts of fast charge. Why? Because it's a fan edition, we might not get a wireless charge or reverse wireless charge features, but this mobile comes with the IP68 certification. That means this can survive in water and dust also. When we talk about this mobile build quality, it is a metal frame and leather back. And by the way, this mobile is available in 5 colors like red, yellow, green, gray and white. I will leave the colors in the description box down below. You can check it out from there. When we talk about the other features, like this mobile comes with the Android version 14 out of the box with One UI 5.0, the latest variant, the latest version. And when we talk about the connectivity, this mobile comes with the Wi-Fi 6E dual band Wi-Fi support and Bluetooth 5.3. When we talk about this mobile, multimedia, it comes with stereo speakers, no 3.5mm jack, and so this is all the features. By the way, this mobile, according to the news that is coming until now, that by the way, according to the news until now, that this mobile, might not get a charger adapter of 45 watt in the box of this mobile. So that's the thing, we have to look whether it will come with the adapter or not. So that's a rumor until now. I have also made videos about the Vivo V40 Pro and Vivo V40 5G. I will leave a link to that in the description box as well as here in this icon section, so you can directly go and watch it from there. By the way, if you like this video, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button and share this video. That's it.